sir.
Okay, so students, I hope you can see the PDF file.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so what we just learned, okay, is that a company can use either book value weights or market value weights to compute weighted average cost of capital. So I gave an example. Say there is a investment opportunity for a company where the estimate or minimum required rate of return is 14%. So if we consider the weighted average cost of capital using book value weights, okay, we will accept the project because the weighted average cost of capital using book value weights is just 13.17% and the minimum required rate of return is 14%. So the cost of capital is less and the than the required rate of return. So what we say, accept reject rule, okay, the minimum required rate of return should be more than the weighted average cost of capital. But if we consider the market value weights, same investment opportunity where the minimum required rate of return is 14% or the estimated rate of return is 14%, we are going to reject if we consider the weighted average cost of capital computed using market value weights, because the cost of capital is higher 14.5% than the estimated rate of return. The correct word is estimated rate of return is 14% is less. Okay, so company will not be able to earn 12,50,000 plus 1,81,300. So we reject the proposal. So company should always choose an investment proposal whose rate of return should be higher always. Higher the rate of return, higher will be the earnings after taxes and higher will be the dividend distribution to equity shareholders. This way the company can maximize shareholders' wealth. Please remember, maximizing shareholders' wealth, it only means maximizing equity shareholders' wealth. Okay, please remember this. So the results given by market value based weights are better as a decision criterion. So it is recommended for companies that they should use compute weighted average cost of capital using market value weights. Otherwise, they will end up selecting projects whose rate of return will be lower. Okay, and it hence cannot maximize shareholders' wealth. So that was all the discussion. So if you have any questions, you please let me know. Next, I'm going to take attendance. Okay. Yeah, anyone? Any doubts you have? Any questions you have?
No, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
No, sir.
Yes, somebody was.
Here we use accept reject rules or we go with
No. See here we are only learning how to compute. Okay. So provided if it is given in the problem that the company has an investment opportunity where the estimated rate of return is 14%, then you should make the decision. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And now they have not given any decision making situation here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
You have to only write the answer 14.5%. That is enough. Nothing else is required. Everyone heard me?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. But you should read. That is why I am repeatedly saying when the problem is given, you should carefully read it. So what information is given and what is being asked. Okay, you may get problems like this. Okay, where you will get say D, another information D. The company is considering an investment opportunity. Okay, where the estimated rate of return is 14%. So suggest the company whether the company should accept or reject the project. Yes, then you should make a decision. Okay, and yes, see, like
sir, about the homework problem, sir.
what happened?
Sir, in that first question, you have not given that certain net present value which we should obtain, sir, like for decision making, sir. Only answer is given, sir.
See, only answer is given means solution part I will not share now, because so that you can make an attempt. You understood?
Yes, sir.
But only I have
attempted,
given. If
sir.
at the end, that is what you should get. If you are not getting it,
Sir.
it means you have skipped some steps or
Somewhere
you have
wrong.
made some mistake. That way it is. Okay. I
Yes,
will
sir.
share the solutions later.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can discuss. When you don't get the answer among friends, you can discuss. That is what is the objective is. Make an attempt and learn on your own how to solve. Okay. And you can even discuss with other friends. Okay. And try to solve the problem. Anyway, I will share the solutions later. Okay then. So the sessions are getting more and more interactive. Many students are able to understand and answer correctly. Okay. It makes me feel very happy. Okay. For a teacher. Okay. When students interact, answer. Okay. That gives a lot of motivation and happiness. Okay. For a teacher like me. Okay. So keep interacting this way. Neither you will get bored nor I will get bored. Okay. And the learning will be maximum. Okay. So all the best. So keep interacting same way. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now attendance. Okay. So yeah, same rule. When I call Abhijit, Abhishek should be ready to give attendance call. Don't unmute after I call. Be ready in advance. So Abhijit, and you can help me if somebody is absent. CR can help me. Abhijit is present or absent? Absent. Abhishek? Absent. Align.
Present, sir.
Amrut.
Present, sir.
Anagha. Anagha absent. Then Anusha Kautekar.
Present, sir.
Anusha Achari. Anusha Achari.
Present, sir.
Yes. Okay, be ready with unmuted.
Present.
Anushri.
Present, sir.
Ashwini.
Present, sir.
Asra.
Yes, sir.
Swati.
Present, sir.
Yeah, now you are fast like that. You be ready in advance. Balappa.
Present, sir.
Bharti. Bharti was not present, it looks like. Okay. Then Chinmay.
Present, sir.
Deepa.
Yes, sir.
Dod Basaya.
Present, sir.
Ganesh.
Present, sir.
Iranna. Iranna is absent. Shrikant.
Sir, in first session he was present, sir. Even he.
Iranna is present. Okay, thank you. Then Shrikant is also present. Then Karthik is present.
Yes, sir.
Lakshmikant.
Yes, sir.
Manjula.
Yes, sir.
Manjunath.
Present, sir.
Muttava. She was present. Nagamegha.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Nagaraj.
Present, sir.
Nagashri.
Present, sir.
Yes. Sakshi. She was present. Okay. Pawan.
Present, sir.
Pavitra.
Present, sir.
Pooja Ballari. She is present. Okay. Pooja Jian.
Present, sir.
Pooja Kadam.
Present, sir.
Purna.
Present, sir.
Pradnya.
Present, sir.
Praveen. Puneet.
Present, sir.
Rakesh.
Present, sir.
Yeah. Ruchita.
Present, sir.
Keshav.
Present, sir.
Sahana.
Yes, sir.
Samiksha.
Present, sir.
Sanjana.
Present, sir.
Sankalp. Sankalp. Then Sanket Kumar, Shilpa MN,
Present, sir.
Shilpa Ganji,
Present, sir.
Shiva Kumar,
Present, sir.
Shruti,
Present, sir.
Saurabh,
Present, sir.
Srujana,
Yes, sir.
Suman.
Is present, sir.
Okay. Then Sumukh. Sumukh is present? No. Sushmita,
Present, sir.
Swati Pola,
Present, sir.
Tabassum, absent. Uday Kumar,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Then Vaishnavi, absent. Varsha,
Sir, absent, sir.
absent. Then Vedesh,
Present, sir.
yes. Nishad, absent. Anybody who skipped attendance, or anybody who was present in first session and now not present? Okay, so I hope everybody gave attendance. Yeah, Deepa is present. Or she,
Yes, sir.
can you share your photographs today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. I will make you host.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are the host now. Okay, show me that one with the moon or bulb it was. What was there behind the flower?
Sir, bulb it is.
Bulb it was.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, it is looking like a moon. Very beautiful photographs, Deepa. Okay, very beautiful. It is
Thank you, sir.
around your home or you went somewhere?
Around my home, sir.
Okay, very beautiful. So you live in a very beautiful surrounding.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, thank you, Deepa. Thank you for sharing the pictures. I
Thank
hope
you, sir.
everyone enjoyed. Okay, so if you want to share something, you will get the platform. You can, okay, always tell me. So that's all for today, everyone, and good day to all of you.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.